here we have our input function. With the input function, you can give the chance for the person, the one that is using the program, to answer some questions. By the way, if you have questions here, always do a space, so the user doesn't have to make a space and then answer. Here, this input function, we're gonna give it a name. I called it name. So type name equals input. What is your name? Here, there's print hello. The text hello. I have to put here between hello and these a space, and then click here, type here plus name. Name is the answer, not the question, not the input file, not the input function itself. The answer that the user puts. Here I call this input function year born equals input. What is your birth year? Here let's print you are now, and then we'll also print 2024, today's year, minimized by year born. If you remove this int function, if you remove it, it will not work because the year born is like a string. String is any words, not numbers, or numbers with something else, another character. Here, if we type int, it will convert the year born answer, not the input function itself, to an integer. That means a number. Here, I typed here choose is input. What is the best operating system for you? Here, we have printed when he answered it. That is a great answer. Great, you have passed the test. Here, let's play it on Visual Studio Code in Python. Let's click here on the Python file. It will open the terminal. And here, what is your name? Let's type. Here, this is the code of our first Python program.
Booting up the system now. Windows 10 will show you how. Tips and tricks to blow your mind. Master her realm you will find. Start menu secrets unfold. Her realm's wisdom bright and bold. Navigate with ease and grace. Tech savvy smile on your face. Oh,